What's up, LNC fam? Welcome back to another video. It's your boy Dr. Vlad in the house, and we're back on this beauty part 3. If you guys haven't seen part 1, part 2, I'll put a link in the description so you guys could check it out and be up to date. In this video, we're gonna put the car on the frame machine. We're gonna pull the front body panel. Also, we're gonna install the fender. If everything lines up good, gaps are perfect, we're gonna start doing body work. So thank you guys for watching. If you're new to this channel, make sure to subscribe because you guys don't want to miss any new videos. We got new videos coming out every week. So enough of this talk and let's get to work. So we got the Ferrari on the frame machine. We're gonna start pulling it. So hopefully we could able to pull this without breaking the aluminum because it's a pretty big damage. We're gonna heat it up real good, and hopefully with a good pull, lots of pulls, we could make this body panel straight without replacing it. So yeah, see how big of a ding this is? So the whole body front panel just shifted. I have to heat everything up, and hopefully we could do a clean pull, and we'll save this body panel without replacing it. So let's get to work and see how things go. So this should be very fun, and wish me luck. Update. So far so good. It's coming along. Pulled most of it out. Let's see what it looks like. So getting there slowly, we're getting somewhere. So right now we're gonna pull this out in this corner, and then once we pull this out, this should, the rest of it come out. So unfortunately we couldn't save the floor and the front body panel. It got too damaged, and we tried heating it up multi times and pulling it, so we pulled as best as we can, but it ripped. So we're gonna have to order new floor and body panel, which we did. So hopefully we'll get it soon, within a month or so. I don't know how it works right now with this whole situation that's going on around the whole world. So hopefully we'll get the part soon. But let me show you guys the damage. Front body panel, it ripped right here. And this is like a heavy duty aluminum as well. So we're just gonna replace everything and make it clean. And same over here with the floor, it started ripping. So tried saving it, but it didn't work out, so it is what it is. We'll wait for new parts, and that's it for now. So here's my new fender for the Ferrari. So perfect fender, used one, so we'll chop it up like this and we'll install it. I'll show you guys the front bumper Scuderia. It's upstairs in my storage, and plus we're doing a remodel the shop completely. We're gonna repaint all the walls, make them white. So we're gonna clean this place up real good. We're gonna do the ceilings black as well. We're gonna put different lights. We're gonna put LED lights everywhere. Comment below if you guys want to see me do like a separate video of the shop getting remodeled completely, and I'll make one. Comment below. So let's go check it out. The Scuderia front bumper. This is my storage room where I store all my parts. So here's the Scuderia bumper. Nice clean bumper. It's completely wrapped in a clear bra. So this bumper is gonna go on that 430 to make it look nice and aggressive. Let me show you what parts we ordered for the Ferrari. So we ordered this the floor, and also got all those parts, 17, 16, 15, 20 and 21. So all those parts got damaged, so we're gonna replace them as well. Hopefully we'll get the parts soon. Once we get the parts, we'll start working on it. That's a wrap for this video. While we're waiting for parts, I got different projects coming up. I got a 2016 Porsche 911R coming up, and also we got a 2016 Ferrari 488 GTB. That's gonna be a big project as well. So we're waiting for a couple parts. Once we get the parts, we'll start working on it. So for now, I'll continue making my daily vlogs. I appreciate every single one of you guys who replied on the comment section, your feedback. I'll continue making those videos for you guys. Just the small stuff that comes in and gets out, quick turnaround. If you're new to this channel, go ahead and subscribe and turn on your bell notification, because you don't want to miss any new videos. If you're an OG subscriber, thank you guys for watching and showing so much love. And I want to give a big shout out to Darren from UK. Thank you, man, for watching it. You're awesome, and I appreciate every single one of you guys. So thank you once again, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.